Holly McKhann here with Cambi McCullough from Amada Senior Care. She's a senior care advisor, and I'm so excited for her to tell you about what this amazing company can do for the seniors in your life. So welcome, Cambi.
Thank you, Holly. Thanks for having me.
So tell us about what Amada is and how it was founded or developed.
Oh, of course. So Amada is a senior care company. It was basically created out of need. Our founder, his mother needed care, and he needed to find an in-home care provider for her. And when he couldn't find that, he created it. And so we provide in-home care for seniors. And this is non-medical, so helping with their bathing, their dressing, their feeding, transportation when needed, and just helping them feel safe and be able to age in place at home.
I love that. And that's got to give so many children of those parents who I'm of that age where my parents are going to need that soon, like that great comfort and peace of mind if you can't be there for them every day, that someone's watching out for them.
Oh,
right?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, most of the time we are working with the seniors, but also with the families for sure. I think a big part of it is making sure that they're safe. We're busy, right? And we can't always be with them. And we can provide as little as 4 hours a day help or up to 24/7 in home for their loved one.
Well, tell us more about like the full menu of services that you guys offer.
Yeah, so Amada is a senior care company. So we don't just do in-home care. We also can help with placements. So placement is when a senior can no longer age in place at home. We can provide access to the boarding cares, the assisted living, sometimes dementia, the different care needs that a senior can come. And also on the front end, we can also help with funding. A lot of seniors are paying into these long-term care insurances that they don't know how to access, don't know how to get those benefits. So we help them access those benefits. Another huge part that I'm personally really passionate about is the VA, which is basically for all of our seniors who've served in the military. And if they've served 90 days, just 90 days, they have access to these benefits.
Wow.
That can pay for these services. And they just
amazing.
Need to know how to access them.
It's probably pretty complicated because so many things these days have gotten more and more complicated. And yet a lot of seniors probably don't have the level of sophistication to understand the technology or who to ask or where to go, right?
100%. And a lot of give up, right? And we're these specialists that can help you maximize your benefits, which I think is just the most important part. A lot of times I think people will just go to any in-home care provider, but Amada really has specialists in long-term care insurance. VA, we're certified through the VA. Most in-home care is not. And so it's really important to get one that's certified and we can provide those services.
That's wonderful. And then one other thing I would like you to touch on is, so I reached out to Cambi just a few days ago because I have a client as a realtor. This client is 82 years old and she wants to find a place that she can go to. And I know there's a wide array of options from like really high level care to lower level care, lower cost to higher cost, and the different communities that she could go to when she relocates to have different feelings in them. And she was like, Holly, I want to find a place that has high energy and exercise programs. And this one place I checked out had a tap dancing class and I wanted to do tap dance. I'm like, wow, I didn't know that was a thing. But for someone like that, you can help them. I mean, I know that because I asked, and it doesn't cost a senior anything, right?
No, it's completely free to them. It's a service that we provide. And basically just how Holly, with being a realtor, has access to an MLS, we have a similar program in MLS for these different places they can live, all the way from boarding care, all the way to assisted living. Now, I know those are terms that maybe normal average day person might not understand. So, but basically a boarding care are these homes that are in neighborhoods and they are, 4 to 6 people living in a home. And when you can find the right fit for your senior, maybe they want to live in a small group environment. It's a beautiful, they have someone with them 24/7, all the way up to the cruise ship, which you're kind of
not an actual cruise ship.
Not an actual, a cruise ship on land, right?
Yeah.
And so basically they can go and they can have tap dancing classes and, happy hour and
different restaurants.
Restaurants. And even some where they have, oh my goodness, I was looking at one this morning and they actually had, oh my goodness, the guy who's the Fonz, what's his name? Robert. Anyway, the Fonz
from Happy Days.
Came to the assisted living and met with them. So they actually do where they're actually bringing in celebrities, bringing in hosts, bringing in people to come and talk to them. So there is a wide variety. It's completely free to the senior. We reach out to these places, find the best fit for them. I think that's the most important, because you really want somewhere where they can go and be happy, right? And I think that's the number one thing, just to help them be happy, to be able to be in a place, thrive, right? And everyone needs something different. And all the way from someone who just wants to live in a home with maybe 4 people in a small group environment, all the way up to someone who wants, you know, the nice meals and be able to live right on the beach. I mean, there are so many options, and we are definitely here to help them navigate it. And we love to work with realtors too, because I think that especially as someone sells their home, we want to be able to have them transition to a place that works for them and make them the happiest they can.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. And my perception is there are hundreds of options here in Orange County, right?
Oh my goodness.
And how would you, if I were looking for a place for my mom, I mean, my mom's in Utah in one of the cruise ship on land places, very happy with all of her activities. But if I were trying to find something here, I don't even know how or where I would start. So thank goodness for you and your company that you can help people navigate, and it doesn't even cost anything extra. They're compensated by the ultimate community that they're in. And it doesn't cost them anything. Like they're thankful for the referral, and it's all good. So
correct.
Yeah. So is there anything else you'd like to say about
if you want more information, definitely check out AmadaSeniorCare.com. You can also give us a call. Our number is 949-528-3500. We have people 24/7 to answer the call. So don't feel, if you're doom scrolling right now and you're like, you see this video, give us a call. It's the middle
of the night. Someone will pick up.
Yeah, give us a call. We'll call you back and just, see what your needs are. We want to help you help your senior, or if you're a senior yourself, we want to help you, thrive and age in place, or help you move into a facility that will provide you the best opportunity.
Yeah, I just want to reemphasize that you guys can help them from anything from little easy help to getting groceries, cooking, cleaning, to advanced stages of need. And you're here to help assess that and provide that. So thanks for being here today.
Of course.
And make sure you check out their website, leave any comments below with any questions, and call Amada directly to get help right away if you're in that market. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.